Hello everyone and welcome back to Jilly's Nails. Today we are going to review the Maniology December 2019 subscription box. This one is all about rock and gemstones, so we're going to create this mani. It's different, it's unique, and I kind of really like that one. So we're going to pop open the box and see what's inside this month. And again, everything is themed like stones. So Maniology does a really good job with their packaging and putting everything together. This little card that just shows all the polishes. That one is the manicure design card. The rose quartz that came with this one as the bonus item. And then of course we have 2 plates and 2 polishes all wrapped up cute. And I'll rip it open like a heathen. I'll save tissue paper. I'm one of those weirdos. Especially Maniology tissue paper. What am I going to do? Put it in somebody's Christmas present? No. Rip it! These are the 2 plates that came with the set, and they are all about layering gemstone designs. It's almost like making gemstone settings. So each one of those designs is a 3-step layering process. This plate's really cute. I love the marble and the granite, big stripes on the sides. It gives you so many options for that. And then of course these designs are really cute. And I'm sorry this is a little bit blurry. I think my camera was focusing on the paper background that I have. I was trying something different to see if I could make it look a little nicer. Just problems with the camera. I will sort them out though, because I actually think I really like the background. What do you think? Tell me, let me know. That was the turquoise color that came in the kit, and this one is called Pewter. And this is the little piece of rose quartz that came with it. It is polished smooth, and it's meant to be used as a palette. I've noticed lately that that's kind of on trend for Instagram and YouTube. People are using these beautiful stones as a palette, and I'm a little disappointed in it. I'll explain why in a bit, but I also really like it, so I'm kind of conflicted. What we're going to do first is stamp the inside of the actual gemstone design and let that start to dry, because it is a layering process, so we are going to have to do some reverse stamping so that we can fill in the color on it. And while I know it's a little bit blurry, you can see there, came out beautiful. It was a perfect pickup on the first try. And I really like these designs. It gives you so many options to play with. This plate set though, it's very unique. I'm not seeing anything like this with the gemstones, so I'm very impressed that Maniology is very good about coming out with unique ideas. It's not very often you're going to see a lot of very similar art styles. I don't know who their artist or artistes are, but they're doing a good job. I really do like a lot of their plate designs. And as you can see on the left, there's my little rose quartz palette. And here's the thing with that for me. Now, first we're going to go in and start the reverse stamping process. Keep in mind, as I've said many times before, this is a tap, tap, tap motion or a stipple motion. It is not a drag motion. If you drag it, you'll smear it. I can't say that enough. I'll probably say it in every video, and I'm sorry in advance for that, but people need to know the truth. So we're going through to do all that. Now, the rose quartz. I like it. It's a nice stone. It is rose quartz. But I live in a place where I can go pick those up like 3 for $1. It's less than 30 miles away. We actually go to that town quite frequently. It's called Hot Springs, Arkansas. It's a big tourist place, lots of gangsters in the 20s, and it actually does have hot springs in it. You can go get free mineral water just off the street from there. So it is a neat town. Oh, look, picked it up on accident. That's what happens when you don't put a sticky base down and your design is almost dry. But I was able to press it down again, and it went on just fine. So the rose quartz, I kind of like it because I had the paper and I needed some place to put it since I didn't have my silicone mat. So is it going to be handy if I continue to use the paper background? Absolutely. Am I a little disappointed that in my nail art kit I got a piece of rock that I could buy for $1 down the road? A little bit, but it is handy. So I don't hate it. I'm just kind of like, meh, could have been something different. Now I actually did this design kind of as a mimic to the design that came on the note card. Again, I was thinking about this, and the designs that they show take more than 2 colors. I really wish on one of those postcards it would be more like a starting kit, and that is the one thing I can say in their defense, is this is not labeled as a stamping starter kit. It's a stamping subscription box. So I'm sure that they are assuming that people have more than just the two colors from them. But it would be nice for a design here and there to just feature the two colors that they feature. I kind of understand why though, because they're trying to make it flashy and pretty for everybody. Now, so what we did first was we did the gemstone, tap the colors in, let it dry. Press that down, and then we did the back color for the framing. So you stamp that in the pewter color, and then when you stamp on top of it, it leaves the intricate little circles and designs that make it look like a jewelry setting. So it is really neat, and the options with that really are just innumerable. I mean, you're definitely going to be able to do Mother's Day stuff or any kind of stones that you like for any reason. I would just decorate them up and hollow the crap out of them. I think it came out really pretty overall. And it was surprisingly easy to line those up. I thought I would have more trouble with it than I did. They came out really easy. So that's the end of it. What do you think? Did I do a good job matching them up? Hey, click on my face and you can subscribe, and click in the upper right hand corner and you can watch more of my videos. Thanks for watching.